Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to write a book with ChatGPT. So first, you need to open your ChatGPT, then log into your account. And after that, you can now search or tap search bar and search the following like, I want to write a book about motorcycles. What should I write? Then you can see now ChatGPT provides you details about that question. So if you like to add more to your book, then search I want to write about motorcycle history. What are the potential titles? Then you can see now ChatGPT provides you the answer. You can also write on ChatGPT. Can you give me some contents about motorcycle history? And you can see what GPT will answer you. And the last, can you give me a summary about the book? And ChatGPT will also provide you details about summary of a book. So that's how to write a book with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.